Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Redfin, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with Redfin, first, open your web browser. Type in the Redfin website URL, which is www.redfin.com. Once the site loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, create a strong password. Fill in any additional required information, such as your name and location. Once you have completed the form, click the Create Account button. After successfully creating your account, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the confirmation email and click the link provided inside. This will verify your email and allow you to log in. Return to the Redfin homepage and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password, then click Login. Once you are logged in, you can explore listings in your desired area. Use the search bar to enter the city or zip code you're interested in. You can also filter results based on price, number of bedrooms, and home type. To save your favorite listings, click the heart icon on each property page. For more detailed information, click on a specific listing. To connect with a Redfin agent, look for the Connect with Agent button on the listing page. Fill out the required fields to request a consultation. Make sure to provide any specific questions or concerns you may have. After submitting your request, you'll receive a response from a Redfin agent promptly. Now you are connected and ready to start your real estate journey with Redfin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.